the Ducati GP6. Born to win. The pinnacle of the wild 990cc MotoGP era. Raced for just one season and unique to the Ducati factory team and its riders. This glorious example of Formula One derived engineering has such aesthetic appeal that it belongs as much in an art gallery as it did on Grand Prix racetracks around the world. Ducati in MotoGP and Ferrari in Formula One are two iconic Italian giants that have enjoyed periods of total domination at the pinnacle of motorsport. Make no mistake, these motorcycles truly are two-wheeled Formula One cars worthy of mention in the same breath as their four-wheeled compatriots. Capirossi was the Italian superstar for Ducati, with 4 seasons running in parallel with Michael Schumacher when he was dominating for Ferrari. Schumacher was a great fan of MotoGP and rode to Mugello to cheer on his good friend Capirossi and of course Ducati. Indeed, sampling for himself these Italian GP thoroughbreds on track personally on a number of occasions. MotoGP is a race series stronger in many ways than Formula One, to the extent that Liberty Media have recently taken it over, adding it to their repertoire alongside Formula One. This incredibly rare and stunning Ducati GP6 was collected directly from the factory soon after its final race. Fully certified as both the Japan pole position and race winner. From the outset, there was no stopping Capirossi. With a dominant pole position and a significant victory ahead of arch-rival and reigning world champion, Valentino Rossi. The season finale was one of the most exciting motorcycle races in history. Capirossi with this bike was part of Ducati's first ever 1-2 finish at what was the final round of the wild 990cc opening era of MotoGP. Remember that the Japanese manufacturers crushed almost all their MotoGP bikes at the end of each season, leaving tantalizingly few remaining MotoGP bikes available to collectors today. With Ducati currently dominating the championship, there's surely even more in store via Liberty for the hugely growing worldwide audiences. This pinnacle Ducati can be displayed proudly and enjoyed in your home or office, ridden at events such as the Goodwood Festival of Speed and other bespoke riding events, or presented at the finest concours worldwide. For wherever it is seen, it is guaranteed to offer a fabulous spectacle.